Good afternoon, sir. I discuss about Admiralty Notice to Mariners. Introduction. It is published by the UK Hydrographic Office. It provides guidelines regarding correction of charts in various publications. It is a weekly publication. Context. Exploratory notes. Publication list. Admiralty Notice. Section number 1. Exploratory notes. It gives a brief dissertation about the various contents in the book, the various laws and regulation of all countries pertaining to navigations understand here. Section number 2. Updates navigational charts. It gives introduction for the updating of standard navigational charts and selected to the matic charts. Blocks and notes accompanying notice in section number 2. Section 2 are placed within section 2. Section number 3. Reprints of radio navigational warnings. Serial numbers of all Navria 1. Message in force. Message pertaining to others Navria's hydrographic along with selected important messages for these areas are listed. Section number 4. Amendments to sailing directions deals with the amendments to sailing directions. Those force at the end of year are printed in the annual summary of notice to mariners. Section number 5. Amendments to Admiralty lights and fog signals. Admiralty list of signals is corrected from section 5 of the weekly of ANTM. When a light is affected by a notice, its light list number. Section number 6. Reprints of radio navigational warnings. When a charge updating notice is issued for a radio beacons, its Admiralty list of radio signals volume 2. Hydrographic note. The mariners are to report the Admiralty any discrepancies that are observed from the information given on the chart of publications. That's all, and thank you, sir.